El tiempo. Tiempo is a funny word because tiempo means time, but it also means weather. We have another word that means weather as well, el clima, like climate. But we just finished talking about clock time also in this chapter. Notice how that was la hora. So that's just clock time. Okay, so be careful with those. There are other words that mean time, but we'll go over those later. If somebody asks you, ¿Qué tiempo hace?, they're not asking you to look at your watch. What's the weather like is what they're really asking you. El sol. Hace sol, hace buen tiempo. The weather's good. Notice how we're using the verb hacer. Hace, hace, hace. Hace, hace. Memorize the different expressions that use hace. Notice how for to rain there is its own verb. It has its own verb. It's that's not what it means here. It doesn't mean exactly that it's raining. It just means that the weather is bad. So never ever ever say hace lluvia. Okay, that's wrong. If you want to say that it's raining, you say llueve. Now this is for the present tense, and you don't need to know how to conjugate it for yo, for example, unless you are a mini rain cloud, but you are not. Okay, so we have third person singular, llueve. There's another expression here, another verb, or another verb that we use that just stands on its own. Nieva. That comes from nevar. I'm going back a little bit. So first, llover, that's the verb that it comes from. And nieva is the other expression. It snows. That comes from the verb nevar. Okay? And that's also in the present tense. La nieve, snow. And nieva, it's snowing, or it snows. It can be translated either way. La temperatura. Hace calor, hace frío. And finally, okay, está nublado. There are actually a lot more expressions that we could use with estar. There's only one here. This is just a short introduction. We might have more weather expressions later in other chapters, but these are the basics.